guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Okay.
Threw the FD on the dyno, got it at 500, and I think we're gonna do a drag strip day. So I'm gonna take the FD, put the slicks on. We just bought a new Sky Pack Challenger, so we're gonna take that to the track, and a couple other friends of ours are gonna bring their cars, and we're gonna just have some fun on the 8th mile. We're about to go pick up the FD and see how bad the alignment was. The Chariot. He was gonna take me to pick up the car, and then I'm gonna give him the business. Alright, so the alignment was like 3 degrees off front, so should drive a lot straight now, so we'll see. Look, we're gonna race that guy right there. Going full RPM, so we're gonna stop, we're gonna let it cool down, we're gonna put the slicks on, and we're gonna take it to the drag strip. We got clearance there because the wheel's hitting on the caliper, so we're gonna grind it off a little bit. So now we gotta put shape down the other side. We got the slicks on, and we're gonna load the car up on the trailer and take it to the track. Whew. It's either gonna break or it's gonna go really fast.
Ready to get beat tonight?
You think she's gonna beat me?
I am. See, if your brother were here, this is what would come out of his mouth. Literally, you could go to Harbor Freight or Advance, $20,
And get what?
and get 4 straps. And stop messing around with just 2 straps only, is what he'd say.
Safest way.
Mike, what is that on the ground?
Trailer plug.
For what?
It was broken.
Isn't that for the lights?
So it's a good excuse. The cop stopped me. It was dragging on the floor. Put my seatbelt on. Got that thing on. Got it on the trailer. We're on our way to the track. See you guys there. Alright, so we just got tacked, and we're gonna get online and go make some passes. Behind you. So we did the pass on the 20V, and it did a 1.7 60 foot and a 7.4 103. So it's got a lot more in it. So I'm gonna work on the 60 foot, and I'm gonna leave it at 12 pounds. It's around 12-13 pounds, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, but it's still pretty good. It's stalled on the 60 foot, so I'm thinking it's low on gas, so we're gonna add some gas to it. Alright, so we only put 8 gallons because We only have 16 ounces of premix. I usually like to do 3 ounces per gallon, but we're only gonna be able to do 2. But we put 8 gallons in it, means that tank was low, and that's why it feels sloshed. So we'll go for another run. Mallory and Two-Step Tommy has had this battle for years, and she always wins. So now it's the battle of the dailies. Mallory with the Scat Pack and Tommy with the Duramax. What we got here? Is that Fat Daddy Brady? This is the third pass. Let me see if you can see it. 1.5 60 foot and a 7.1 at 102. That's still at 13 pounds of boost. I'm pretty happy with it. That's pretty quick for a street car, especially at low boost. And we're home. All right, guys, so we're going for round 2 of the track. The only thing is we just put some gas in it. All right, so got the FD here. Got Tommy here. He's gonna race his truck. Got the Scat Pack. And we got broken Dodge. So this shit left us stranded.
15 more minutes. You done with this?
Yeah, I'm done with that. So we're gonna try to do a hard reset. Right now it's saying the throttle body is not working. So it left us in the middle of the road. We have to tow it over here. So we're just gonna, we disconnected the batteries. Oh, well, the battery. And we're just gonna let it reset by itself. It usually takes like 20-30 minutes. So already tacked. So we're gonna go make the first pass. Alright, so definitely was not expecting a Mustang to be on nitrous, but we took the W also. So gonna let the car cool down and give it another shot. That's it, we're gonna call it a night. We raced 4 times and all 4 times we won. So pretty good for low boost, so we're gonna turn it up.